Alright, number 5, we're going to go back a little bit to some of our percent unit. And we have this family that goes to a restaurant. When the bill comes, this is printed at the bottom of it. They give us a gratuity guide to help us understand what the different percentages would be of our check. And so if these are the 15, 18, and 20% of our number, how much was the price of the meal, and then explain your reasoning. So really, we don't have to use all of these. My favorite one would be the 20%, just because that is the easiest number to work with. So I know that 20% of my meal was equal to $6.52. So this is kind of like, a multiplication problem with a missing piece. I don't know the price of my meal. That's my question mark. So I could rewrite this in a decimal form, or even a fractional one for that matter, but decimal is probably easier here. The decimal version of 20% is 0.20. And the word of to us in mathematics means multiply. And we don't know our meal, so I'll call that X. And $6.52. So what this is saying is that something times 0.2 gave us 6.52. So that would be like saying, hey, I've got a table here for you, and I've got 0.2 over here, and I've got 6.52 over here, and they're asking, what are you multiplying to get over there? What's the constant of proportionality, in other words? So to find that, we could just divide 6.52 and divide it by 0.20, and that'll tell us what the meal was, which was 32.6 when I divided it out. So X equals $32.60, and that on that meal, these are recommendations of what you should spend. So how much are you paying for the meal? Then you would write $32.60, and then my reasoning is up here. Okay, this is all of my reasoning, so make sure that you have that somewhere on number 5. Alright, let's look at the next problem. See if I got enough time to do it. Oh yeah. In a video game, the character is healed at a constant rate, so we have a proportional relationship here. I can go ahead and say that my constant is times 25, because 4 times 25 is 100. So 10 times 25, 250. 3 times 25, 75. What number times 25 would give me 1,000? Well, I need to do 1,000 divided by 25 to find that out. So 1,000 divided by 25 is 40, and that works. So it says complete the table. That's all I had to do. I really found this by dividing these two numbers. 100 divided by 4 gave me my constant, and then I was able to figure out everything else. And to go backwards, I could have divided that by 25 to get back to 40. So pretty easy stuff there. We knocked out number 1 from lesson number 7 as well. And I think I'm going to start a new video for number 2. It looks like it might take a little while.